Right, welcome back. What I want to look at today is something in regards to mathematics. And I've done here a word example. Now what we're looking for is to find I've got a post here, right? And I'll need to know the size of the post at its base. So you can see from here that from this point here to that point here, that's your radius, and that is 20 centimeters. From this point here to this point here, you can see that that becomes your radius also, okay, in regards to the base of the post, and that is 30 centimeters. Now, from the top of the post to its baseline, basically, it's 120 centimeters, okay. Now, calculate the circumference of the base of the post. So that's what I want to be looking at, finding the base circumference of the base of the post. And that is what I'm looking for here, that circumference there, okay? In regards to that, I now need to make sure that let me just bring this in so you can see it in full, okay? So we're not missing anything out. I'll try to make sure that it's big on screen, okay? Right. Now, to make sure that I understand this, I've brought in here, I need to have the formula that will allow me to calculate the circumference, and for circumference equals 2 pi times r, not r squared at this stage, r, okay, 2 times pi r. Make sure that we have that in frame for you, okay. Okay, yes, we have, okay, right. And you can see that with this linking to this, okay, that's what we're looking at, okay, and that's your formula set there for you, okay. And what I've done here is now I've now applied this to my formula here, and when you apply this to your formula, you get the answer 188.52 centimeters, okay. 188.52 centimeters. Sorry, I should have centimeters here, okay. Now we then need to look at calculating the area of the top of the post, okay. Sorry, just trying to adjust this a little bit so we make sure that we get it all in. Okay, so let's look at this now, okay. Now, clear states calculate the area of the top of the post, okay. So what I've done here now, I've put area equals 3.142 times r squared. So area equals 3.142 times 20 times 20, and that gives you 1,256.8 centimeters squared. We just simply round this up to 1,257 centimeters squared, okay. And I agree I should have my centimeters squared here, but I did put it in here, so do forgive me for that, okay. I apologize. All right. And that's all I want you to show you, okay, how to calculate the base in regards to using circumference, okay. Now I hope you find this useful, okay, overall. Let's go down, make sure we have it all in frame, okay. I'm just trying to make sure that we got that in frame, okay. Go up, okay, excellent. Let me go down, pan back a bit so we get it all in shot as much as we can, anywhere at least. I made it enlarged so that we can see it stage by stage and that you don't have any problems in reading it. Okay, and I'll put some of it in color as well, because I find that color helps a lot, okay. Okay, that will be it. Thank you for your time, and I hope you find this useful again, okay. Have a good day. Bye bye.